Alright, let's make some street corn. First, gather all your ingredients. There is a list in the description below. And let me show you how I shuck my corn. So we're going to use the stem as a handle. So twist the little furry part and pull all the way down. You should be able to get half of the husk off. You can actually even use that and tie it up if you want to make it look pretty. But make sure you clean off all the little furries. And then we'll go ahead, add that to a pot of boiling water. And cook for about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and make our lime crema. We're going to start off with a half a cup of sour cream. Add that to a bowl. We're going to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It's all over my hand. We're also going to cut 1 lime in half and squeeze. You can use your hand, you can use a juicer, whatever works for you. We're going to add a little bit of salt, add a dash of pepper, and a little shake of chili powder. And let's go ahead and mix that all together. So in about 10 minutes or whenever you think your corn is cooked, we'll go ahead and take it out of the water. Make sure you drip off the excess boiling water so it doesn't burn everybody. And let's go ahead and get your extra lime and we'll rub it all over the corn depending on how much you like. I just like to do a nice little coating. And we'll go ahead and grab the bowl of lime crema using a spatula, just kind of applying it generously all over the corn. And once you got enough, now remember it's going to be hot, so it will start to melt off. That's why you got to be quick with this. So as soon as you apply it, dip it right in the cotija cheese. Now you can stir it, you can twist it, you can use your hands, you can get messy with it. And once it's all done, add a sprinkle of chili powder on top. You can add cilantro, you can add really whatever you want. Make it your own creation. And let me know how you do. Nice street corn. You'll never eat corn the same.